This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. This is the last day here in Chiang, at least for this trip. So we just checked out now, and we packed everything in the van again. Yeah. Did I say we need bigger grill? So yeah, as usual, when we go on these trips, we'll pick up more luggage than we left home. So I packed everything quite tidy. Yeah, big suitcase, Cybex e-Prem stroller, Cybex Koya, my camera bag, some bathing equipment there for kids. Yeah, and then also I had to put more stuff here. Let's see. Here you see we have some bags. Also I had to put some stuff under the seat there. We have plenty of space though, unfortunately. The rear seat here is not in use, so we put luggage there, also under there. But we still have the opportunity to recline here, so I consider everything when I pack here. Yeah, so I'm in charge of packing everything. All right, I think we are almost good to go. We are just waiting for some breastfeeding, and then we go have some lunch. Yeah, it's a little bit past noon now. Oh, soft clothes, you're gonna love that stuff. All right, as usual, Axel is crying, but not only that, but welcome to Thailand. We have to drive 7.9 kilometers. It's going to take half an hour. Shit. We have arrived at the restaurant. This is called Wan Lamun Lim Nam. I've been there before 2 years ago. They have good food. So yeah, van is big. 525 centimeters. I managed to fit it in here. Oh, it's so good to have 360 camera. So yeah, what the heck, man? I ended up with this. Yeah, okay, the ladies, they are inside. Well, actually, let me just put it here. So what is somewhat important when we park here in the sun is that you can. This is a feature with BYD, really useful. Well, very nice with the new cars, new BYDs and Denza, of course. You lock the car and it powers down, so you don't have to go inside and do it. But then you press and hold this button on the key fob. Wait for it. And now the lights come on. And now it runs the air conditioning for half an hour. And actually powers on all the electronics. So if I had the phone, I would charge it. That's also very useful. Oh yeah, nice. Nice scenery. Well, we're dying by the river, right? Except for the river is always murky like this. Yeah, it's not like in, where was it again? In Switzerland, yeah. Then it was nice and clear. What was that place called again? Isabel, try to remember where we went. You haven't gone around Europe yet? It's Mutzig. Yeah, Zurich. The water was crystal clear. It's incredible how clear it was. Here is like something dead floating around there. Okay, whatever. And also what they have over here is dessert, Thai dessert. Oh, I think this is boi loy. And some other dessert. Oh yeah, oh wow. It's beautiful. And also tasty. Just like my wife. I mean, yeah. I don't know what all this is, but I think we'll end up buying some of this stuff. Look at that. It's so colorful. Yeah, and it also smells good. Okay, but food first. Isabel. Did you see what this is, Isabel? That's a mini coconut. It's like a coconut bottle. You figure out how to open it like a ninja. She's gonna outsmart daddy soon. Look at that! Isabel, close it. How do you close this? Okay, Isabel, come on, baby. Go have some food now. We're gonna have some food first. Okay, good girl. Wow, normally I don't show you guys the menu, but the menu here looks freaking delicious. Look at this. Thick, smoothies, healthy bowl. That's perfect for Maya. I think Maya likes it thick. Okay, but anyway, and then we have and then we have fruit shake. Yeah, I think Isabel wants this lime lime juice shake. There's also some young coconut, the mango. and also the regular stuff, you know. And then yeah, going to, okay, whatever. But look at the food menu. I was like, wow, this sort. Okay, it's kind of pricey. 330 baht for all this. It's like a set, you know. It's the whole experience. Appetizers, yeah. But here you don't get that much on each dish, so it's like yeah. So, but look at it. Yeah. Wow. I was like, oh, everything just looks delicious. Oh, Thai salad. Yeah. Oh, I think I want this. Yeah. Tapas. I was looking for the word. It's like a tapas restaurant. So you get small portions. Okay, 265 baht. Okay. But I think I want something I ate 2 years ago, which is some kind of chives, whatever they call it. Let me just show you here. No. But where is it? It's kind of far back here. Wow, every dish just looks so delicious. And I think I'm afraid I have to order like 2 or 3 of these. Here. Stir-fried garlic chives with shrimps. And then we have stir-fried onion flower stem with shrimp balls. I want 3 things. Yeah. Oh, wait, but they have so much other stuff. Okay, whatever. I need to decide. And I'm hungry. I'm starving. Oh yeah, the food has arrived. Oh, this is some toast, deep fried toast. Okay, actually, Isabel likes it. Isabel likes bread in general. That's good. With this sweet and sour dipping sauce thing in there. Also, oh, lemon frappe, really good. Everything is good. We tried the Thai tea is good. I need to try this. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh. And also want some vegetable. I had this 2 years ago, I remember. It was pretty good. And then, yeah, salmon for Maya. You know, I think the salmon they use here, at least if it's high-grade salmon, it comes from Norway. Yeah. Yeah, we travel from Norway to Thailand to eat Norwegian salmon. Well, there's more coming, by the way. We have to wait for the remaining. And as always, nobody eats anything, but okay, except for Isabel. Until we've taken all the photos for Instagram and Facebook and whatever social media. You see, we start with papaya salad. Oh my god. Good papaya salad. Well balanced between sourness and saltiness. And then soft shell crab. Man, the food is great. It's a surprise, but it is great. We'll try this. Wow, you know, it's tasty and also crunchy. They didn't overcook it. Let's try this. What about this? Well, that was great food. Now we're gonna head back to Chiang. It's well, not a long stretch, but just slow because of traffic. And as usual, Axel is crying. In case you're wondering, some people are like, maybe he's car sick. No, he's absolutely not car sick. He cries the moment we put him in the car seat, and also he also cries when he sits in a stroller. That's why you see that we have to keep carrying all the time. So he's 9 months old now. Hopefully in a couple of months he will grow out of this. Oh shit, man. Also the reason why it takes forever to pass through the red light is because Thai people, they are so dang slow getting out of the intersection. They accelerate like a freaking mother trucker, super slow. And also, you know, many intersections could have been solved with roundabouts. There's plenty of space for roundabouts. The problem is that Thai people, they have quite poor driving education and they are quite selfish. and they don't understand much about traffic flow, you know. They never give you, if you blink, you want to turn right here, nobody's going to give you space to enter, you know. So roundabouts, they are really efficient compared to stoplights, but it's not going to work in Thailand, unfortunately. So they are doomed to be stuck with this shitty traffic, unfortunately. Unlike in more developed places like Europe, where roundabouts are very common. You know how to try to maneuver around this. Go, go, go. All right. We are now in Chiang, finally. The kids are asleep. Wow, we can see the mountain here. Doi Luang. Yeah, PM 2.5 level, so they nowadays actually it's quite low. See here, 17 outside and 9 inside. Yeah. All right, all good. Well, back home. Oh, I think we have to take one more trip to Chiang Mai next week, because next week is the last week before we go back to Norway. So, do I want to go back to Norway? This nice green warm weather here, 28 degrees Celsius. Go back to 0 degrees Celsius and snow and ice. Well, I think I have to. So yeah, but the Denza D9 is perfect for these kind of family trips. Yeah, spacious, comfortable, good range. Well, charging wise, we don't care because we didn't go that far. But yeah, wait, is Isabel still in here? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, she's still there. Oh, okay. Well, I'll take her out. Or someone needs to take her out. There's still lots of stuff in here. So yeah, and actually in 2 days I'll be driving it back to Bangkok, and then I will do a Sunday drive. I want to know how far can you drive when you drive slow, because I think the problem, what makes this van thirsty is the boxiness. So when you drive slow, then we should be able to go pretty far, huh? We'll see. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.